How to use parsley to treat kidneys, dissolve stones and detoxify liver. Here are the 3 early signs that can tell you whether you need to do a kidney cleanse. There are 3 early warning signs that you need to do a kidney cleanse. Left untreated, kidney stones can form and result in excruciating pain. Look out for these signs. Urinating frequently. When you always have the feeling that you need to pee even just after you come out from the washroom. Never hold your urine whenever you feel the urge to go, as these are surefire ways for stone formation. Repetitive urinary tract infections. Kidney stones can cause urinary tract infections. If you have a urinary tract infections, even once a year, you may need to do a kidney cleanse. Brown-colored, cloudy and foul-smelling urine. Dark-colored urine or one that is cloudy and foul-smelling are indications that you desperately need a kidney cleanse before the condition gets worse. Parsley juice for kidney detox and liver cleanse. Parsley juice is a potent and concentrated version of all the nutrition in the herb, including a rich array of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, enzymes, chlorophyll and volatile oils. Some of the best-known parsley juice health benefits include kidney cleansing and liver detoxification, and this page has detailed instructions for both a recipe for juicing parsley and a detox parsley smoothie for this purpose. Importantly, despite its many health benefits, parsley juice should not be used in large amounts by pregnant women or those taking blood-thinning medication. Parsley has a long history as a beneficial herb for the kidneys, and both the fresh plant and dried parsley tea are often recommended for kidney infections or to help dissolve kidney stones. Juicing parsley with other detoxifying vegetables and fruits. Parsley juice, like most green superfood drinks, is generally considered too powerful to have on its own and is better mixed with other complementary fruits and vegetables. Some of the best of these for kidney cleansing include watermelon. Watermelon juice is great for flushing the kidneys, and watermelon seeds are said to be especially beneficial for kidney stones. If this is something you're concerned with, then look for a watermelon with the brown seeds rather than the seedless varieties. Organic cucumber. Cucumber is a diuretic that can help flush uric acid out of the body and dissolve kidney stones. The skin is full of antioxidants, but conventionally grown cucumbers have a significant pesticide load and are also usually coated with wax. If you can't find organic cucumbers to juice, you'd be better off peeling them. Lemon. Lemon juice from a fresh lemon is an excellent cleanser and can help dissolve mineral deposits that lead to calcium oxalate stones. Lemon will also help delay oxidation of the other juices. Cleansing parsley smoothie. While you could chop up watermelon and juice it, it's so high in water content that it is especially suitable for blending. The same goes for cucumber. There are also beneficial nutrients in the seeds of both watermelon and cucumber, so if you're not afraid of a little texture, then keep the seeds in. The better the blender, the smaller these will be chopped up. Ingredients for 2 portion. Half an ounce of organic parsley, less is needed than in juicing as the whole herb is used. The juice of 1 large or 2 small lemons, minus the seeds. 1 large organic cucumber, diced with the peel on and seeds kept. Peel first if you can't find organic. As much watermelon with the seeds as you can fit into the blender. Smoothie method. Blend all these ingredients up until you can see the parsley leaves finely blended and the watermelon seeds chopped up into tiny pieces. This smoothie is extremely refreshing and very good for cleaning the kidneys in particular. Remember though that watermelon really doesn't keep once blended, so you'd want to drink this smoothie immediately for the richest supply of antioxidants and enzymes. As previously mentioned, parsley juice is quite potent. Given this, it's not recommended to make it up for too many consecutive days. You could, however, make up the above recipes for up to a week-long juice cleanse and add parsley on every other day. After the first week of treatment, a week off is generally suggested. If you would like to continue with using parsley juice for liver detoxification and kidney cleansing, you can either make it up for longer cleanses, or alternatively just make it up a couple of times a week whenever you feel your body could use the boost. Do you eat when doing a kidney and liver juice cleanse? You can eat during this time of cleansing, but what you eat or don't eat is very important. In order not to tax your kidneys and liver while they're working hard eliminating toxins, it is better that you follow a certain protocol. Most importantly, avoid foods that keep adding on toxins to your detox organs. Foods that are most harmful are processed foods, flour and sugar products, dairy products, red meat, all vegetable oils, soda, alcohol and coffee. It is recommended to eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, organic is best, so that you don't stay hungry. Drink plenty of water to help flush out the toxins while doing the cleanse. Besides drinking juices and water, you may also drink herbal teas. Drinking dandelion root tea is best during this time of cleansing. One of the most powerful kidney cleansing broth is one that uses celeriac as an ingredient. You can make and drink this broth 2 or 3 times during your cleansing week. Remember that the remedies listed above are not intended to replace medical care. If you're experiencing a lot of pain from kidney problems, see your doctor immediately.